Eating natural fats cleanses toxins from body fat.
We did a much better job making healthy people 100 years ago than we do now. And how did we know what to feed people? Well, it was called traditional recipes. It's what my grandma made me and that my mom learned how to cook. And she, everybody's healthy. My grandma's 100. The history of how we fed people is not just interesting because we used to do it completely self-sufficiency when this country was founded. Our country's founders, they were farmers. They were into self-sufficiency. They were into hunting. George Washington used to brag to like the King of France about the size of our bears and our squirrels. They were into food, these people. They respected nature and they respected what their ancestors did. They recognized the value of it. They just used their common sense and they didn't look to these experts in their ivory towers to declare science valid. The minute you start eating healthy, you give up on this idea that fat is bad. And if you do go on a carnivore diet and get plenty of healthy fats, you're only going to be getting healthy, animal fats. Then you're eating fats that your body can use. And that's training your body to start being able to release your body fat. You lower your insulin level, you release your body fat, you start using that more often, you're clearing it out faster, right? So if you're on a high carb diet, the fats that you have in your body currently are not going to be released as often, right? So, and you're going to end up, burning the sugar first. Intermittent fasting, low carb diet, these are ways to accelerate the process. If you're lowering your carbs, you have to increase your fat, and it has to be the natural fats that nature has always provided us with, even after farming. So like I'm totally fine with coconut oil, olive oil, even peanut oil. A lot of folks don't understand why I say peanut oil is okay, but I explain all that on my website too. So all of those super healthy fats will help you lower your insulin level, will help you release the fat. You're basically, you want to detoxify your body fat. So that's how you do it. And you eat less often. That means you will be releasing your body fat more often. That's what it's for. So it helps it just run through the system. Now, when people are very metabolically damaged, they can't always cut their carbs completely. I'm talking about type 2 diabetics. They can't always. And they also really can't intermittent fast very efficiently. They're just not using their fat. Their insulin levels are too high. So they are still in that sugar dependent mode. And so that's the reason I had to write the Fat Burn Fix, because I was finding just too many people couldn't do very well. Too many people who were too metabolically damaged to just say, great, here's the solution. Start eating these healthy fats, cut your carbs down, and, intermittent fast. Too many people just can't quite do that. And they need months or even in some cases years of metabolic rehab to get to the point where they are healthy enough that they can do that. And, there's a lot going on emotionally. When you're pre-diabetic or diabetic, your brain equates sugar with energy. So it's a metabolic addiction. And that just changes the game in your relationship with food. It changes the game on your understanding of even who you are. I thought I would never be able to walk past a pile of Reese's peanut butter cups. Those were my kryptonite. That's because I was metabolically addicted to sugar too, in addition to the hedonistic addiction. I mean, sure, now still you get me started with some sugar, I'm going to want more. It's going to be hard to stop. But that's different. And I'm so much more in control of it now that my metabolism is not dependent on sugar.
Eating natural fats cleanses toxins from body fat. We did a much better job of making healthy people 100 years ago. How did we know what to feed people? Traditional recipes. Dr. Shanahan says, it's what my grandma made me, and she is 100. Our country founders were farmers and hunters. They respected nature and respected what their ancestors did. They didn't look to experts in ivory towers to declare science valid. When you give up the idea that fat is bad and begin a carnivore-style diet, you will only be getting healthy animal fats, eating only fats that your body can use, and you train your body to release your body fat. and you are clearing out toxic body fat faster. When on a high-carb diet, body fat won't be released as often because you burn sugar first, and intermittent fasting speeds up the process. If you're lowering your carbs, you increase your natural fats from nature. Dr. Shanahan says, and I am fine with coconut oil, olive oil, peanut oil. All these healthy fats will help lower insulin. That will release toxic body fat. You will want to eat less often, and so that will release body fat more often. When people are metabolically damaged, type 2 diabetics, for example, they can't always cut carbs completely. They can't always intermittent fast efficiently. They are not using their body fat for fuel yet. The insulin levels are too high. They are still sugar dependent. That is why I wrote the book, The Fat Burn Fix. They may need months of metabolic rehab. When diabetic or pre-diabetic, your brain equates sugar with energy. It's a metabolic addiction, which changes the game with your relationship to food and changes the game on your understanding of who you are. For example, Dr. Shanahan says, I thought I would never be able to walk past a Reese's cup. I was metabolically addicted to sugar, in addition to hedonistically addicted to sugar. But she says, I am so much more in control now that my metabolism is no longer addicted to sugar. Annotated and summarized. Easy to share with loved ones. The description below the title for this video has these summary points.